Connecting the device to PDU will prove useful if you don't have access to the IPMI configuration, because it'll allow you to remotely manage the status of a device. In order to assign a device to the PDU, move to the Power section that presents the list of power supply ports for the selected device. To add a new port, enter the Add New Port form and fill in the required fields, the port label and number. In addition, you can specify a user label that will help you locate the power port in a quick manner. After the port has been created, you need to connect it to the appropriate PDU's power outlet. To do so, complete the connected item and connected port fields located in the table. You'll have to choose the PDU that you want to connect the power socket to and select the appropriate outlet. The presented settings will allow you to remotely start, reboot, or shut down the device using the power control action in the device summary view.